So we are going to begin with the awards distribution. May I please request the people who are outside the hall to please take their seats. If we have any winners outside, we can have them in the hall, please. I'd like to invite our jury members to felicitate the winners. We have, of course, Mr. Sanjay Khajuria. He was the former Corporate Affairs and Sustainability Director of Nestle. We have Dr. Reena Kashyap, still with us, ma'am. Yeah. Who else do we have? Who's staying back? Dr. Umakant Dash is there. Yes, sir. Please come. Dr. Chandrika Parmar is there. I'm sorry, ma'am. I was just locating you all if you're still there. No, ma'am, please come. The jury gives away the awards. Please come on stage. If I may request Dr. Maya Tandon, Padma Shri Dr. Maya Tandon, it would be an honor for the awardees if... Ma'am, please sit. I'm sorry, I was just locating you all from stage. Should we start? Do we have Ashish? Ashish Jha? Is he around or? I think is escorting our member of parliaments, but I think we can. Yeah, that's okay.
Where is he? He's there only.
Okay. Should we wait or should we begin?
Just give us 2 minutes. I'll just look for him.
May I please have your patience for 2 more minutes?
Also playing some music. Yeah, he's here. He can also join.
एक मिनट.
Mr. Ashish Jha, please join us on the stage. I am here only.
आप बैठिए
तो जाओ ना एक-एक करके बुलाइए.
हाँ आप बैठिए क्यों सिट
आशीष, you be here. कुछ देर मैं अनाउंस करूंगी. You go to felicitate. कुछ देर तुम अनाउंस करना. I'll go to felicitate. So finally, can we have the award presentation? Shall we begin, Ashish? So this is how we'll be doing it. We'll be going category-wise. So the first category that we're announcing the winner for is Technology for Social Good. And the winner in this section is Startup Accelerator of Chamber of Commerce. The initiative for which they have won this award is the Saksham Assistive Technology Accelerator Program. Can we have a big round of applause? Can we have the cue music, please? Do we have their representative? Yes, and the presentation, please. Yes, let the slides come. Just a moment.
So our tech team is taking a couple of minutes. Thank you for your patience.
क्या हो गया?
can I request Dr. Aishwarya Mahajan to be on stage, please, sir? And we also have माननीय सांसद ब्रिजमोहन अग्रवाल जी सर यहाँ पे बैठे हुए हैं और वो भी स्टेज पे अभी आएंगे. थैंक यू. हाँ नहीं कोई चेयर की जरूरत नहीं है मतलब वी कैन कीप स्टैंडिंग ना. अच्छा ठीक है.
Apologies for that glitch, but now we're back. I'm back up. So, beginning again, may I invite Dr. Aishwarya Mahajan and Dr. Chandrika Parmar. Ma'am, please come to felicitate our winners. This is Startup Accelerator Chamber of Commerce for their initiative Saksham Assistive Technology Accelerator Program. They have won this award in the category Technology for Social Good. Please come. The next category is Technology and Artificial Intelligence for Social Good. And the winner is Annam.ai Foundation for their innovation in climate tech by using AI-powered automatic weather station. Annam.ai Foundation, a big round of applause for them. We now move on to the category of biodiversity, and the winner is Round Glass Foundation for the Billion Tree Project. Can we have the representatives from Round Glass Foundation? They have won this award for the Billion Tree Project. This is a community-led restoration of biodiversity and native ecosystems. A big round of applause. Congratulations, Round Glass. The next winner under the same category of biodiversity is Give Me Trees Trust. This is for their project 48 Years of Green Legacy by People Baba. A big round of applause for Give Me Trees Trust. Now the next category, Diversity, Equity and Inclusion, that is DEI, and the winner for this category is Residents Awareness Association of Coimbatore. The initiative name is Inclusion Park. Can we have representatives from RAAC, that is Residents Awareness Association of Coimbatore? Please come.
Can we have a round of applause for him, please?
Now, coming on to one of the major categories, education. So, of course, we had a lot of many nominations in education, and we have multiple winners as well. So, the first winner in the category of education is Devi Sansthan for their Alpha Pedagogy, which is accelerating learning for all. We have Mr. Nixon Joseph receiving the award. A big round of applause for Devi Sansthan. The next winner in the category of education is I Dream Career for Sarthi. That is the structured approach for awareness, readiness, and tertiary horizons integration. Can we have the representatives from Sarthi? Can we have a round of applause as well? Ma'am, I'd request Dr. Parmar to take her seat and Dr. Sanjay Khajuria to join for felicitations. Can we also have Dr. Maya Tandon to give away a few awards? So continuing with the category of education, the next winner is Seventh Sense People Development Solutions for using technology for learning management and challenge management system. A big round of applause for Seventh Sense People Development Solutions. Please remember, education is one of the major categories, still the first natural choice for CSR. The next winner in the education category is Anchalik Jan Seva Anushtan for their bridge school. Can we have representatives from Anchalik Jan Seva Anushtan? Do we have them here? Yes, please come. You would notice we have winners that you might not have heard from before this. And it gives us such immense pride and joy to be introducing them to you.
And thanks to our jury for identifying such initiatives. Thank you very much.
The next category is financial inclusion, and the winner for this category is Nav Chetna Sarvangeen Vikas Kendra for Sakhi. Do we have representatives from Nav Chetna Sarvangeen Vikas Kendra? They are coming. Yes, please. Can we have the claps coming, please? Thank you. Now the next category, a very important one, health. And the first winner in the category of health is St. Jude India Child Care Centers for a home away from home. Louder, please, louder. Not the music, I meant the applause. Can we have the music lower? Yes. Yeah. And the next winner for in the health category is India Vision Institute for Vision for Every Child, building a clear future for young India. The next category is Social Project for the Differently Abled. And the winner in this category is Altius for restoring mobility and dignity through prosthetic limb assistance. Can we have the representatives of Altius? Many congratulations. The next category is Incubators for Research and Development. And the winner under this category is Pusa Krishi. A big round of applause. Why do I need to remind every single time? Please give a big round of applause. This is for sowing innovation, harvesting impact, and incubating Indian agri startups. The next category is promotion of arts, culture, and heritage preservation. And the winner under this category is Hyundai Motor India Foundation for Art for Hope. This is one of the categories where we could guess the winner. Congratulations, Hyundai Motor India Foundation. The next category is promotion of sports. And the winner for promotion of sports is Jindal Steel for nurturing sports talent of rural and urban youth alike. Jindal Steel. Many congratulations, Jindal Steel. Best wishes. Can I ask Sanjay sir to take his seat and Reena ma'am to come and felicitate? The next category is skill development and livelihood. And this was the largest category that we received nominations in. I think we had around 50 nominations in this single category. So we have a number of winners. So let's begin with the first winner under this category, but it's in no particular order. And I'd like to invite Hindustan Coca-Cola Beverages for their project Shine. I think there's a different certificate they have. Just wait, we'll just get it. The next winner under skill development and livelihood is Bansidhar and Ila Panda Foundation for Project Saksham. A big round of applause. I'd like to add here that probably because of a glitch here, we might be missing out one or two winners, but please stay back. We will be announcing the names that have been missed out shortly. For now, congratulations, Bansidhar and Ila Panda Foundation. The next winner under skill development and livelihood is NIIT Foundation. Big round of applause. We have the CEO of NIIT Foundation, Ms. Sapna Mudgil, with us to receive the award. The next winner under skill development and livelihood is Sahyog Care for You. Sahyog Care for You has won the award for their project Sahas.
We are requesting all the winners to stay back. We are going to have a group picture also. Thank you. It will take just 10 to 15 minutes from now.
The next winner under skill development and livelihood is ARM Foundation, which is Freedom Employability Academy. This is the initiative Freedom Employability Academy by ARM Foundation. The next winner under skill development is Samman Social Development Society for their transformative initiative in livelihoods. Samman Social Development Society. Yes, there they are. The last but not the least winner for the skill development and livelihood category is Pradhan, Professional Assistant and Assistance and Development for Action. They have won the award for Empower, that is Economic Empowerment of Women in Rural India. Pradhan needs no introduction, just a big round of applause. May I request Reena ma'am to take her seat and Dr. Umakant Dash to please join us.
The next award category is Special Area, and here Jubilant Food Works Limited is the winner for Dairy Farmers Development Program. Heartiest congratulations to you. Jubilant Foodworks Limited. A big round of applause for them, please. Thank you. The next award in the special area category is for Aga Khan Agency for Habitat India for the initiative for the special area Urban Risk Resilience Program. For the initiative Green Retrofitting Project. A big round of applause, please, for Aga Khan Agency for Habitat India. Thank you. The next category is WASH, Water Sanitation and Hygiene. And the winner in this is Karunalya Social Welfare Foundation for the initiative Enhancement of Water and Health in the Thar Desert. Please ताली बजाते रहें, please. Keep up the enthusiasm. The next winner in the WASH category is United Way of Bangalore for the initiative 1 Billion Drops. A huge round of applause for the amazing initiative. Congratulations once again. So we have the next category, Waste Management. And the winner in this category is Social Lab Ventures Private Limited for the initiative Tidy Trails to promote sustainable waste management practices in high footfall commercial areas. Heartiest congratulations to Social Lab Ventures Private Limited. Thank you. The next category is for women empowerment, and the first winner in this category is Bekar Ko Aakar for the initiative Udan, Wings for Women and Children. What a fantastic initiative. Can we have the representatives here and a huge round of applause for them as well. तालियां please बजती रहें, please. Enthusiasm बना रहे, support बना रहे. We are the social sector stakeholders. We should be encouraging each other. Thank you so much. Congratulations. And again, in the women empowerment category, we have our winner, Garuda Aerospace Private Limited, for the initiative Namo Drone Didi, Lakpati Drone Didi. Can we please have the representatives on stage to take the award? So we don't have the representatives from Garuda Aerospace. I'd like to call the next winner. For women empowerment, in the women empowerment category, we have Wiser Foundation. Can we please have the representatives on the stage? The initiative is Main Bhi Kisan initiative for empowering 1,000 plus women farmers in farming techniques in Karnataka and Maharashtra. Heartiest congratulations to you. And there was a slight mix-up over here. We have a few categories, education category, and a few winners which we could not announce earlier. So we have Roots to Roots Foundation for the education category. Please can we have the representatives on stage to take the award. Heartiest congratulations to the winners. Can we have Roots to Roots on stage, please? All right. It's okay. Then we have our next winner, PNG India, in the education category. Congratulations, PNG India.
I don't think they have representatives here.
Okay, so we move on to the next winner, and that is Prashanti Bal Mandir Trust for the category education. Can we please have the representative on stage, please? Congratulations once again. And we had missed out this name in the category for skill development and livelihood. Can we have representatives from End Poverty, our winners? प्लीज़ तालियां रुकनी नहीं चाहिए. थैंक यू सो मच. In the skill development and livelihood category, our next winner, Catalysts for Social Action. Congratulations. In the same category, skill development and livelihood, our next winners are Siemens Healthineers. Can we please have the rep on the stage, please? Congratulations. A round of applause, please, for Siemens Healthineers. In the next category, which is sustainable environment, may I please invite our winner, First American India, on stage to receive the award. Congratulations. In the same category, sustainable environment, our next winner is Innovative Governance Reforms Federation, IGRF. Heartiest congratulations. Please welcome our awardee with a round of applause. Last but not the least, in the same category for sustainable environment, we have Global Growth Foundation of India. Heartiest congratulations.
Thank you. And there is a last award, which is the only editorial choice award, is for Miss Aradhna Maitanya, who is herself individual change maker. Aradhna Maitanya is a remarkable force of love and resilience, transforming the lives of children with intellectual disabilities in Haryana and beyond. Known not just as a teacher but as a ma to countless children like Saraswati and Jeevan, she dedicates herself wholly, training, nurturing and standing by them through life's toughest challenges. Congratulations. This is only special award is being given to this change maker, and it's completely on editorial choice, because we do recognize a few individuals or organizations which somehow could not figure out in our nomination process and jury evaluation process, but still our editorial team found them a very unique kind of personality or initiative. That is why this editorial choice award. Congratulations, Aradhna.
Dr. Shweta, closing remarks and the thank you note.
Thank you, Brij Mohan sir, for joining us and giving away the awards. I'm sure it goes a long way in motivating our winners. We have Mr. Ashish Jha. Yes. So can I request the winners to come on stage for a group picture with our jury? Those who are here. May I please request the winners? And our team members also. Those who are... Can we have the winners first? Chairs thoda jury, Ashish.
Yeah, we can. Some of us can kneel down.
Some of you can sit. We'll have to sit actually. This is a big group. So,
A few of them can also stand.
yeah.
I'll go and kneel down.
Yeah, those who can, please volunteer to sit, those who can. Some of them can also go in the front. Is it? कुछ लोग नीचे भी जा सकते हैं. प्लीज फोटोग्राफर्स आप रुके रहिएगा. चलो. Those in the back can also go down. सामने आप लोग नीचे जाके खड़े हो सकते हैं. Yes, that's right. Please stay in your places. Those who want to go down can go below the stage. That's.